Welcome back. Okay, our next pattern in this video is going to be the basic right turn. Yes, I mean guys, take out that right thumb, that's the direction you're going, okay? Ladies, just follow along. We're going to do this in an open and closed, all right, position. We're going to start with open first, and we're going to gradually rotate to the right, just like we did the left, but it's going to the right, all right? And just kind of give you an angle. We're going to continue doing this. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. So all the way around back to here, right? So you can continue doing this on your own if you like, but slow it down as much as you need to and practice this. Now we're going to go into the closed position, all right? Same thing, and have that little more progressive step. Again, once more, my right hand's on our shoulder blade, our left, and my right side is close together. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. We're almost home. Triple step, rock step. One more. Triple step, rock step. How about that? I just threw that in there. You like that? Bonnie didn't even think like, oh, we're doing another one. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to practice this. Remember, it's not a rush game, all right? You don't rush around with it. Take your time. Practice it without music. And when you put music on, again, different tempos will challenge you. But practice together apart. Have fun with this. Breathe once more. And if you need more information, go back over to the private lesson style videos, okay? So, practice. Come on back.